Rosie, Baba, today we will continue the whole and the part in, in subtraction and addition. Okay, so let us brush up a bit. Here, sorry, I have the whole. How many balls I have? 1, circles, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the whole is 6. Now, we can use the chart to fill in the subtraction sentence and addition sentences below to make a fact family. First, let's review what our chart is telling us. So the first question is, which numbers are parts for this fact family? So the fact is, those are 6 numbers, right? 6 circles. So the whole is 6. So I have 2 parts. I can make the number 6 into 2 parts. 2 plus 4. So the first part is 2. The second part is 4. Okay? So 2 plus 4 equals 6. So the whole الwhole يعني الكلي الكامل. إذا أنا عندي الكامل شنو الأجزاء مالته؟ parts يعني أجزاء. يعني إذا أعطيك 6 كرات وأقول لك تسوي لي إياها جزئين يعني قسمين. قسم حطي لي كرتين وحدهن والقسم الثاني 4 كرات. So the whole you break it into 2 parts. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So what's the answer here? 4 and 2 are the parts. Parts of what? يعني لما نقول part جزء, it has to come from something else, right? So from the whole, which is the 6th number. Okay, so the second question. Which number is the whole for this fact family? So I have 2 parts, 4 and 2. If I need to know what's the whole, what shall I do? I have to add them up. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 is the whole. Okay, let's practice a bit. Here we'll click on each box to fill the numbers where they belong. Alright, now you have the entire fact family with 6 as the whole and 2 as the parts. So here, 6 minus 4 equals 2. So again, what's my family? The whole is 6 and the parts are 4 and 2. So how can I have the entire fact family? So what's the fact? The fact that the whole number is 6 has 2 parts, 4 and 2. So I can write it 6 minus 4 equals 2. This is the first fact. I can write it 4 plus 2 equals what? 6. Or I can write it 2 plus 4 equals 6. So all these 3 problems, 2 addition and 1 subtraction, are part of the same fact that 6 equals 2 parts, 2 and 4. Now I can make another fact. If my fact is 6 as the whole, I can change 4 and 2 by 3 plus 3, right? So if I give you 6 balls, you can make 2 parts, 3 balls and 3 balls. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So this is another fact, but I will explain to you in a separate video. Okay, we can use part minus whole chart, or sorry, you can use part whole chart to fill out fact families like just we did for 6 minus 2 equals 4. Let's try filling out subtraction and addition sentences to complete fact families using part whole charts. So what do we call this? What do you call this? Part whole chart. The whole, the total number, and if I can break it into 2 parts, 2 and 4. Okay, so this is the fact family. Let's practice some more. So here, What's the whole number? It's 5. So I have two parts, 4 and 1, right? So how many fact families I can derive from this يعني sorry يعني how many fact families أقدر أجيب من هاي الwhole part whole fact. I can say 5 minus 4 equals 1, right? 4 plus 1 equals 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Okay. هسه عندنا a small exercise. This is very fun. Uh, Here I have 5 minus question mark. You need to answer this equals 4. يعني إذا أنا عندي 5 كرات شقد لازم أشيل منهم أخذهم أحطهم جيبي عمود يظل عندي 4. شنو الرقم اللي أحطه هنا عمود أخلي هاي الجملة صحيحة، الجملة الرياضيات هاي صحيحة. تخيلي بابا أنت عندك 5 كرات شقد لازم أشيل. This minus means subtraction means taking away. شقد لازم أشيل منها عمود يظل عندي 4 كرات. Did you guess the answer? No, sorry, you should not guess. You should know the answer. Guessing are for idiots. You should know. In math, there is no guessing. You have to know. If you don't know, don't guess. You ask. But don't guess in math. Okay, you can guess in other things in math, don't guess. So you should know the answer. 5 minus, the answer is 1. Right? Good. So let's do the next one. This is, you know how to do it. I don't need to teach you. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Okay. Okay. This also, you know how to do it. I will not teach you. Okay, this is good. Uh, Here, it's an addition problem, right? So, the answer is 10. So, when I have question mark, means you have to know which number I need here to add to 2 in order to get 10. Let's go to the balls again. You have 2 balls in your hand, okay? But you want actually to have 10 balls. So how many more you need in order to have 10؟ يعني بابا انت عندك كرتين بإيدك بس انت ببالك انت تريدين 10 كرات تلعبين بيهن. زين؟ شقد زيادة تحتاجين على الاثنين اللي انت already عندك اياهم؟ You should know. 2. Then I need to count to have 10. So how much I need to add to the 2? The answer is 8. Because 8 plus 2 equals 10. Let's do another one. This is easy. Stupid. Don't bother. Okay. So you should get them all correct. Fine. Now to the assignment. This is your homework for math today. Write about it. هنا التيشر قاعدة تقول لك you have to explain to me what did you understand about this part whole problem fact. So in your own words يعني انت يعني شلون انت تريدين تشرحين. Explain how 4 plus 2 equals 6 is related to 6 minus 4 equals 2. You can write and draw in your explanation. Helpful tip. So this is a tip for you. If you need some help, look back at It's Your Turn. And at the beginning, this is what we explained. Okay. So here you need to explain to me in your own words. And you can write what you understood, or you can draw anything. You can draw something like this. Whole, part. يعني start by drawing this. Then you can explain on what you drawn. So how 4 plus 2 equals 6 is related to 6 minus 4 equals 2? They are part of the same part whole fact family, right? This is what we discussed. This is the family, the entire fact family. 6 minus 4 equal 2, 4 plus 2 equals 6, 2 plus 4 equals 6. So you have to tell me. يعني تخيلي بابا أنت عندك 6 كرات، هذول ال6 كرات تقدرين تقولين أنا عندي 4، إذا أحط على ال4 كرتين يصير عندي 6 كرات، أو نفس الوقت تقدرين تقولين إذا أنا عندي 6 كرات أقدر أشيل منهم 4 يظل عندي 2. So in order to explain, first you have to draw this. The whole is 6, then part 2 and 4. Then you have to explain 6 equals 2 plus 4, or 6 equals 6 minus 4. Okay? Just يعني جيبي ورقة فارغة ارسمي عليها هاي واشرحي شو فهمتي بهالدرس. يلا بابا good luck.